Thank you very much for the fantastic response to the first part of Bollywood Hungama 2011 One-on-One. We are back with the second episode where we will bring highlights from some notable interviews from April to June 2011. Over to Bollywood Hungama 2011 One-on-One. Anurag Kashyap in a no-holds-barred interview spoke his mind why he thinks the lackluster attitude within Bollywood upsets him.
Once, when I was wrong, I withdrew my statement. That was when I talked about Dabangg. I overreacted, I reacted too soon.
Right.
And I withdrew and apologized. All the other times, including Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se and everything else, where I have not apologized or not withdrawn statement, I still stand by it. When I was fighting my battle in this industry for 7 years, nobody supported me. हर आदमी आता था यार तू अच्छा फिल्म मेकर लेकिन तेरी किस्मत खराब है. तेरा जो ना साढ़े सत्ती चल रहा है, तेरा शनि है, तेरा वो है, तू मनहूस है, ये सब मैं सुनता आया हूँ इस इंडस्ट्री में. इट्स एन इंडस्ट्री ऑफ नेपोटिज्म. यहाँ पे एक इंडस्ट्री है जहाँ पे पैसा फिल्म पे नहीं लाइफस्टाइल पे खर्च होता है. आप कैसे ट्रैवल करते हो, आप क्या पहनते हो, कहाँ जाते हो, फिल्म पे नहीं खर्च होता. और मैंने बड़े बड़े हॉलीवुड के एक्टर्स देखे हैं जो साइड में बैठ के वेट भी करते हैं. So I'm talking about this whole attitude in the industry.
Salman Khan reshot character Dheela in Dhinka Chika in Ready. Is this perfectionist streak courtesy friend Aamir Khan? And what does he have to say about the misunderstanding between him and Sanjay Leela Bhansali?
मेरे साथ ना थोड़ी सी नॉट परफेक्ट चीज़ें चलती हैं. आमिर के साथ परफेक्ट चीज़ें चलती हैं. फॉर मी it's never the perfect thing. It's straight. Whatever there is spontaneously. I saw the visual, I heard the audio, I saw the visual. I didn't think the visual matched up. So there was no strategy in this. It's just, I want the song to be slightly better. What trouble can Sanjay Bhansali put me into? Statement I made on my film. फिर मिलेंगे. So, I made on my film. I didn't make it on Sanjay's film. So, before even knowing what I said, they've reacted to it. Which I realized that once they know what I've said, they'll be fine. I mean, they should have at least, called me up and found out, okay, have I said that?
Deepika, Delhi Girl, speaks out against producer Ekta Kapoor for not showing her Ragini MMS, a film loosely based on a paranormal experience.
मैंने मूवी देखी नहीं है अभी तक एंड आई हैव द इशू विद दैट ओनली कि मुझे मूवी क्यों नहीं दिखाई जा रही. द मूवी इज़ अबाउट माई स्टोरी. ऐसा क्या है मूवी में जो मुझे नहीं दिखाया जा रहा, मेरी स्टोरी. उसके बाद अब लव मेकिंग सीन्स आ रहे हैं सामने. दैट इज़ नॉट माई स्टोरी. मैं क्या करूँ उसमें? इट्स जस्ट द पैरानॉर्मल थिंग्स. मेरे को मूवी दिखाने का कमिट किया था तो मुझे मूवी देखनी है. दैट इज़ इट. उसके पहले अगर रिलीज़ हो जाएगी मूवी तो आई एम नॉट ओके विद दैट फैक्ट. कितने घरों में जाके मैं ये बात बोलूँगी कि ये पैरानॉर्मल चीज़ मेरी है और ये लव मेकिंग सीन्स मेरे नहीं है. Right, that would spoil my image. I am just 22. कल मैं I have a career ahead. I have to be something in life. I have to get married. कौन करेगा ये सारी चीज़ें? कौन manage करेगा? I have to be answerable to my family as well. I want to see the movie. That's it. And if not, then I'm filing a case against her. That's it.
Farah Khan hit back at choreographer Ganesh Hegde in one of the most talked about Bollywood Hungama exclusive interviews.
उसको ना बेचारे को डॉक्टर की ज़रूरत है. आई रियली फील दैट ही नीड्स अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट. ही नीड्स अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट. ही नीड्स अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट. एंड आई रियली विश हिम स्पीडी रिकवरी. And there's no doubt in my mind that he is a very fabulous dancer. Right. And I insist that he should come and audition for Just Dance. मेरी वजह से आज उसको half page article मिला है एक पेपर में. God bless him. I have never ever gone ever and criticized any other choreographer. मैं अपना काम करूँगी, मैं काम करूँगी. Also, I think not having work does things to people. They have lot of time to think and do. But touch wood, I've been too busy with my work and my children to sit and now clarify people's things. Like I said, wishing you a speedy recovery.
At the theatrical trailer launch of Ravan, Shah Rukh Khan jokingly said that the one in Ravan stands for his position within the film industry. We spoke to Salman in Dubai and this is what he had to say on this.
He believes that, then I'm sure he is. I don't want to be in this number game. If he's interested in this number game, he's more than welcome to be from 1 to 10 to 200.
Arbaz Khan and Malaika Arora spoke about the rumors that Salman had issues with Malaika's lifestyle that had allegedly led to differences between Arbaz and Malaika.
What does it take for anybody to just pass a random statement like this for it to be written about?
And a random statement that just comes and goes is fine, you know, which you don't really, you hear a lot of things in the business, you just hear something and it's gone. But when things become a little negative or they become a little, you know that it's going to affect everybody around us in our lives, because
our
then very
lifestyle
soon everybody starts
has not
calling.
changed. The way Malaika is in her personal life hasn't changed. The way she wears her clothes has not changed. I mean, why should it affect anybody, and why unnecessary bring it to somebody, you know, like give, like Salman, bring him into the picture. He's not the least bothered. Right. You know, it's my life, it's tomorrow. I mean to say, when he'll have settled down with his wife and kids and all that stuff, that'll be his life, that'll be his stake. I mean to say, I'm not going to, I as it is don't make any, so even he doesn't do it. And if he has anything, I mean to say, to talk to me about any work or professional or personal life, I mean to say, he's not going to make a random loose statement in the press. He's going to come and talk to me. He's never felt the need to tell me anything.